we can get started for today.
Right, Algerian sweets, right?
Yeah, I brought طيبنا.
Jordanian baklava.
And I like the Algerian baklava better. Better.
This is sheep cheese. Yeah. Like soft semolina will be covered by the cheese, and then he will later put it in the fat. ساعدك؟ لا معلم لا تفكر. كنافة it's originally Palestinian dessert, Palestinian sweet, come from a city called Nablus. We were known, you know the place called Habiba yesterday that we could not stop and eat kunafa. It was huge and too busy. So we brought for you Anabtawi place. Anabtawi is considered one of the best also in Jordan, even in the Middle East, well known for their sweet and kunafa.
العافية. Hi, Stevens Initiative team.
لا ضد النار.
Okay. Oh. Watch.
Bravo, bravo.
That's the sign that the kunafa is perfect. So shall we bring them back or we can take the kunafa now?
I also want to try some.
I'm gonna try kunafa for the first time in my life. I'm so excited. I hope I like it. It's good, but I feel like it needs more syrup. It's kind of dry.
You think so?
I think they put less on purpose.
Yeah.
I think you can get more syrup if you want to.
Yeah.
The pistachio makes it better.
Yes.
It's a rich, like I could eat this for dinner, honestly.
I thought it's gonna be like a mixture of sweet and salt.
I think it really works. Like I always thought cheese is savory, and I feel like it.
It's good, but it's not my favorite. I prefer harissa. احنا في الجزائر عنا المعروفة هي الهريسة.
الهريسة مين يعني؟
قلب اللوز، قلب اللوز نعم.
ناخذ واحدة ثانية.
Dead Sea, as you know, it's the lowest point in the air.
I was really enjoying hearing between you all.
Guys have done the exact same thing, talked about the exact same thing. The very thing you thought impossible was possible when you do it together. Connections are not just about finding people who do what you do.
Engaging with other fellows made me realize that there is no right opinion when it comes to people's perspective. Virtual opportunities are important in building understanding between different cultures and prepare us to be not a citizen of one country, but a citizen of the world.
We finished our workshop, we had a networking event, and then now we have free time. We're going to Rainbow Street and then to Al Balad to see and to visit the area and get some souvenirs, buy some, I don't know what will we find, but I'm so excited.
Now, we just want to know who has the closest birthday so we can just sing happy birthday.
Oh, I love it. Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha. Yeah.
Help me say how much Arabic again?
Oh, قديش قديش. Oh my god! It's so beautiful. Guys! We're here. Yeah. Oh.
هذا ما بخايل بالشكل.
Oh, it's pretty. It's pretty.
كثير حلو. عشانك من الجزائر اعتبريه 25.
Yeah, let's go.
Yes, let's go there. Adish.
قديش.
Adish. Dish. Dish. Dish is like
Yes,
a
how
Hindi
much?
word, but I don't know what it means. Adish.
Yeah. Come.
Adish.
هدول They are not 7. Yeah, let's go. This is all this time. Assalamu alaikum. Oh my god. I like them. No, it's a kufi, I guess. It's famous in. Oh, it's. You put it like this. Right now, in just buying some stuff. Oh my god, finally long day. Workshop, networking event, going shopping and seeing Amman. Now it's midnight. We'll just stay in the lobby.